Welcome back, it's Alan, and I'm going to show how I've converted the church, which closed in 1949, into a car yard and an auto scan garage. The first thing that I did was to look at the space that I had available and then in Inkscape design all of the parts. I then cut it out on a Cricut or Cricut machine and then tried it for size. Now I've shown here how it wraps around the actual church itself. Looking down on the top, this shows the space that I had available for the car yard, but also that the church is fitting into the surround. From there, this is the back wall, and I've started to put the sliding doors in that go at the back. I've now started on the auto scan yard, which is to the left of the church, and done the same wraparound. I've used scale scenes papers for all of this, the brick papers, and all of the tarmac on the floor, again scale scenes papers. It's now starting to come together, and this is the template. The floor template is about the space that I've really got available to me to play with. I then started to add some colour to some of the places and started to fasten down some of the frames. The sliding doors are done by scribing the card on the machine and just setting it at a shallower cut. I've put the car lift in there and a fridge in the wall of the car yard. That's just another view of it, and I've put the side lights at the top right of the picture. You can see there the side lights for inside the auto scan. The sliding doors are now fitted. Again, looks vivid, but they're the actual colours in real life. I've now fitted the roof panels, again removable, and I'm going to put roof lights into those as well. And I've used scale scenes covering for those, which you'll see in later pictures. Now on the right hand side, the car yard was actually called Chapel Motors, so I'm adapting that sign as well for that. I just tried a few vehicles just to get the feel of what it would look like and what I needed with regards to toning down the colours of the fronts, because again those vivid reds really stand out, but I want to try and stick as close to reality as I can. I've fitted the Chapel Motors signs and all of the advert boards and the auto scan above the windows. The windows are actually rebaited in the auto scan, so it's not just simply printed, then there's a rebate and then there's a panel behind it to give the depth to it. The auto scan signs, again modelled on the reality. I couldn't make out what the fine print was, so I had to make the fine print ones up. So looking at what it looked like, that's all I had to go on from this particular viewpoint. I hope you like how it's turned out. And in the next video I'm going to start on the buildings to the left of the auto scan. Thanks for watching. See you next time.